Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Nandanwar. Today date is 23 April 2022. Today Viva topic is Java 8 features. Then first time video. Mainly the Java 8 features are provided in the JDK 1.8. Then the new generation are added in the Java 8 features in the programming of Java. The Java JVM programming. Then Java 8 features are the mainly used in the Steam API, and then lambda expression. Then makes it is a for each method. It is a most important features in the Java 8 feature. First of all, I will explain in the Java 8 features in for method iterable interface. In Java 8 features, the for method 8 for method iterable feature. Java dot iterable Java dot long dot iterable. They can be used in the for each method. The for each method, it is a iterable method, iterable in the particular location of the method. The Java 8 feature, it is a Java dot until dot collection. Then until dot function. Then the function are the logical expression. Then they can be logical expression or other expression in this use in the Java each method. Then next, it is a default and static collection in the default and static method in the interface. The default and static method cannot be in the enhance of the enhance. They can be default and static keyword are created in the interface of the method. For each method are implementation in the iterable interface. Then next, it is a lambda expression. Lambda expression, it is Java 8 features. Then since the lambda expression, it is interface in the it at least only one time or iterate in the program of the method. Then it is a Java lambda expression or expression. It is recall a possible method argument and utilization. Then it is a Steam API. Steam API are in the operation of the collection. Then Steam API, they can be used in the Java 8 features. Steam API, it is a most important in the collection of the data. Then I will explain in the Java 8 features in the collection of the data. Then Steam API, then they can be iterate in the first in the Steam API. Then Java Time API. Java Time API, they can be always in just by looking for the Java Time API. The package of the API, I am in case of that, they will be they will be easy use. They can be easy to easy use in the Java API. Collection of API interface. The collection of API interface, they can be iterate in the one by one in the Java 8 features. Okay, that's all about the Java 8 feature. Okay, thank you everyone.